In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add MatchBox bot to Discord server. To begin, open Discord and go to the server where you want to add the MatchBox bot. Before continuing, make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage the server and add applications. If you don't have the required permissions, the option to add the bot may not be available. Once you're inside the correct server, look toward the top left corner of the Discord window and click on the server name. This will open a drop-down menu with several server management options. From that menu, select Server Settings to access the server's configuration page. After the server settings page opens, look at the menu on the left-hand side and scroll down until you find App Directory. Click on it to open Discord's built-in directory, where you can browse and search for apps and bots that can be added directly to your server. At the top of the App Directory page, you'll see a search bar. Type MatchBox as a single word and press Enter to search. After the results appear, the MatchBox bot should be one of the first options displayed. Click on the MatchBox listing to open its information page, where you'll find details about the bot and the option to add it to your server. On the right side of the page, select Add to Server. Discord will then ask you to choose which server you want to add the bot to. Double-check that the correct server is selected before moving forward. Once you've confirmed your selection, click Continue to proceed. Next, Discord will display the permissions that the MatchBox bot is requesting. Review these permissions carefully so you understand what access the bot will have in your server. If everything looks correct, authorize the requested permissions to continue. You may also be asked to complete a verification check to confirm that you're a real person. Simply complete that step to finish the authorization process. After the authorization is complete, the MatchBox bot will be added to your Discord server. To verify that everything worked correctly, return to your server and check the member list or server channels. You should now see MatchBox as part of your server, indicating that it has been successfully added and is ready to use according to its available features. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,